Yes, let's look at this WAEC question for 2018 chemistry, question 32. How many atoms are contained in 0.2 moles of nitrogen? Given that Avagadros number n is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. A 1.20 times 10 to the power 23. B 2.41 times 10 to the power 23. C 3.62 times 10 to the power 23. D 4.82 times 10 to the power 23. Now, how do we go about this? We all know that 1 mole of every substance contains the Avagadros number of particles, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 number of particles. Now 0.2 moles will then contain how many? It will then contain X number of particles. So make X the subject of the formula. You're going to cross multiply so that X will be equal to this times this, cross multiplying 0.2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 all over 1. So how many atoms, particles in this time around is atoms? So it's gonna be 0.2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So if you multiply this out, you're gonna have 12.04 times 10 to the power 22, which is also equal to 1.2, because we are taking this point here over to this side, putting in standard form. 1.204 times 10 to the power 23. So when you take this point here, you now make this to be 23. So, and this is the answer to the problem. So from the options, you can see that we also have 1.20 times 10 to the power 23 here. So this is approximately 1.20 times 10 to the power 23, which is the answer to this problem. And that is how we arrive to this answer. So very important for you to notice that 1 mole contains this number of particles, and these particles is not necessarily atoms. So it could be atoms, it could be ions, you understand? It could be any of the particles. So 1 mole of every substance contains this number of particles. So 0.2 moles will contain X atoms or ions or anything. So make that X the subject of the formula to find how many atoms. So you have to cross multiply by saying this time what is here times what is here all over what is here, which is this. So if you just do 0.2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23, you have this, which you can put in a refined standard format of this and approximate to this in order for you to have this. Yeah, thank you very much.